Hey, Greg, congratulations on the launch. It was fantastic spending time with you and your team a few weeks ago in San Francisco. Your team just launched a brand new corporate gifting platform experience on your site powered by Superblocks. So what does it do? Why is it such a big deal?
Yeah, thanks, Brad. Wine.com is a nationwide online wine retailer selling wine and spirits delivered to your door. We have an extensive selection of authentic premium wines from real wineries that you can go and visit. All of the wine that we ship, we own in our warehouses and have full control and excellent on-time delivery, over 99.99%. Being able to be the best at corporate orders is really a strategic goal of ours. And so that's what we set out to do this year. We did a lot of research of how we could build a self-serve tool that was fully transparent and easy to handle exceptions. And this summer we found Superblocks, and they became our partner in delivering this product. And so today what happens is a customer comes onto wine.com, they go straight to the corporate gifting portal. And in this portal, they can upload their addresses via spreadsheet, they can enter them one by one, or they can select addresses that already exist on their wine.com address book. After they've selected their addresses, the website will tell them what products are available. They'll be able to search products, filter them by price range, and then select what they would like to ship to their recipients. Once the product's been selected, they can choose what gift message they would like to have for the customer. They can do unique gift messages per recipient, and then when they've completed that personalization step, they hit place order, and the orders are on their way.
Fantastic. Well, cool. It sounds like your customers are getting a big upgrade this year.
Absolutely.
So maybe talk a little bit about the future here, right? Maybe talk about some of those use cases that you have coming down the pike and just like the future of the partnership.
Yeah, we fully plan on Superblocks being a foundational piece of technology here at wine.com. One exciting project that we're working on is a Superblocks application that's connected directly to Databricks. And so we've built a process in Databricks that communicates with OpenAI to extract this data, but we needed to build a fine-tuning step where we could have human reviewers review the output of the model and say, this is correct and this is incorrect. Connecting Superblocks to Databricks allowed us to build that UI in a matter of days and really sped up development. And so now we're close to launch with that, and yeah, we're super excited.
Incredible. Well, we are just super excited about the partnership, and we know where we're going to be placing our corporate gifting orders this year. Thank you so much, Greg, and have a wonderful holiday season.
Thank you, Brad. And yes, our corporate order program is now live. Visit wine.com and visit corporate gifting under the gifts tab. We hope to fulfill your group gift order this holiday season.